So now we're going to go over where you're exporting data from a previous project. So I opened up project 3 where we created our drainage basins, and I'm going to export some information into our geodatabase file. So we're going to export the layers, Valencia College and the drainage basin. So when we go to our Valencia College, we'll right click and we're going to go down to data and export data. We're going to export all features, and let me pull this down. We're going to export all features and we're going to send it to the location that we need it. So I'm going to actually move my location because I have such a small area that I'm going to send it outside of the file. And I'm going to call it, or outside the C drive, I'm going to call it Valencia College site. Okay, and I'm going to make sure it says File Personal Geodatabase. So this is where I'm saving it. Okay, and I'm going to save it as a shape file in here. So I click on Save and click on OK. And when it asks me that, I'm going to say no, because it wants to know if I want to create another layer inside this map. So I'm going to say no. Now we're going to export. We're going to do the same. I'm going to right click, get my map back. Let me make this bigger so I can get my map back so y'all can see it. So I'm going to export the drainage basins now. So I'm going to go just to the Valencia drainage basin layer, data, export data, and I'm going to click down here. I'm going to save it as a shape file, so make sure I'm path, and I'm going to save it as the Valencia drainage basin shape file, and I'm going to say that, and I'm going to click OK, and no. Okay. Now you can also do the same thing with layers, and it basically holds its information. So you can go save as a layer file and just save it out. And you can do the same thing with the other layers. So come down here and put it on the proper drive. Yours is on the C drive. So now when I go back and open up the ARC catalog, you'll be able to see that we have the shape files that were saved into there. So I'm going to close this out because I can only keep one thing open at a time, and I'm going to open back up ARC catalog. Now that I've got ARC catalog opened up, I'm going to go in and I'm going to bring in and import in the feature classes that I just created. So I'm going to come here onto the Valencia, and I'm going to import multiple feature classes because I want to get the Valencia shape file in there. Thinking. Path out. I'm going to go up one, and now you can see the shape files. I'm going to select these two. So I'm making sure I'm going with my, showing you what I've got. So I select those two, and I clicked OK. And I'm going to add them. Sorry, I should have said add and then click OK. Alright, so now I'm going to select OK. And down here at the bottom, it's adding the information. As long as the files aren't too large, it should move quickly. If the files are large, it will take a few minutes. Okay? Notice that it's added to it, and there you have the data for this exercise. It says to upload the geodatabase to Blackboard. Don't. Just do me make a open a Word document and do a screen clip. So I'm going to screen clip, and I'm just going to pick this, and that's what I'm going to send. That's what I want you all to send to me in a Word document. All right, that's it for this video.